You are told to be everywhere: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, in your client's inbox every day, consistent and visible. But no one told you how to do it without burning out, without hiring a team, without sounding like every other agent begging for attention. So you stall. You post when you can, you overthink, and silently wonder if your next client even knows you exist. But what if that pressure to do it all vanished? What if your AI trained assistant could write your post, script your videos, email your list, and even show up as you? You don't even have to be on camera in less time than it takes to pour your first cup of coffee. I'm about to show you how I did exactly that in under 8 minutes. So let's get started right now. Okay, so here we are inside of ChatGPT. Now, what you are looking at is a task. This fires off every day at 7 a.m. where I receive a detailed report. I have this one set to do in the Northern Virginia, DC metro area. So all we do with this is we will copy this section right here. This is our daily report. It includes a quote of the day. It includes a day in the history of the DC metro area. And we come over into what I refer to as a PBT, a personalized business transformer. So this one is trained on me, my personality, and it's thinking of me as a real estate agent. So I'm just going to click this button right here for daily content stack. It's going to ask me what I want to do. I'm not even going to answer that. I'm just going to paste the daily market report in here. So what we are going to create today, we are going to create a reel script. We are going to create a reel, and we are going to create an email, and we are going to create an image for social media. And I'm going to show you how quick and easy this is. So we just hit enter, and it's going to fire off a reel script. Spits it out. Now, I'm going to show you something that you may or may not know about. You can use CapCut to create videos. We are going to come over to CapCut, and we are going to select the script to video section right here. And we are going to take this script and paste it in. I'm just going to remove the words that I don't want in there. Get rid of offer. This is really handy if you don't like being on camera all the time or the amount of time it takes to edit the video content, but you do want to stay relevant in front of your target audience. This is a game changer. You can change the voices in here. There are numerous voices to pick from, but for this demonstration, I'll just use the Peaceful Woman, and we will hit Generate Video and Smart Generation. And this is not going to take that long, and we will come back to this. But while that's cranking it out, we're going to come back to our ChatGPT conversation, and we are going to say, now I want an image prompt for the daily quote. And it's going to spit out an image prompt, and we will use this. Take what it gives me. I want to take this image prompt, and we are going to copy it. Now, since this personalized business transformer, or PBT, is built inside of a custom GPT, it does not generate images yet. So we are going to come over to 4.0. We are going to select create an image, and we are going to paste the prompt. Now, it's going to crank us out an image. And while we are waiting for that, let's go check out our video. So if you notice, this is the DC metro area in these pictures. So here's the video that was created. We can check that out. But I don't like this as far as the subtitles. So I want to make some adjustments. I like selecting every letter is the first letter of every word. And I want to make this so it can be easily seen. So we'll have a little background in there. And now we have a 1-minute video.
Think federal job cuts won't hit the housing market. Over 40% of agents in DC just reported sellers offloading due to layoffs, many of them retirees. It's flooding the market with new listings and changing how buyers play their hand. More choice, more leverage, but not for long. Want the inside track on price shifts before fall hits? DM me DC report, and I'll show you where the smart money is moving. The DC market just took a turn fast. Job cuts from federal downsizing are pushing more homes onto the market. That means buyers finally have leverage, but sellers, they need precision. Price it wrong, and you sit. I'm tracking daily shifts in Northern VA plus DC Metro listings so you can stay ahead. Want a local price map before July gets away from you? Drop market move in the comments or shoot me a message. Think federal.
And just like it's done, you can add a custom closing here at the end, hit render or export, and now you have a video. And that only took a couple of minutes. But here's something else that is, cool. Now we have our daily quote image. You can paste that inside of a story, inside of your Instagram, TikTok, Facebook account. But another service that I've been using is called HeyGen. So I took a previous report and I created an AI version of me. ChatGPT created the image and I simply uploaded it into HeyGen. So we'll play this. I didn't select the right format. This one is set at a square, but I can render this as a 916 version.
Thinking about selling in DC? You're not alone. Retirees and feds are flooding the market. Here's what's happening. The government's DOGE initiative just triggered job cuts, and 43% of local agents say their sellers are moving because of it. Retirees are leading the charge, and listings are piling up. That means more competition, and pricing is shifting fast. If you're even considering selling, now's the time to price smart. Want a strategy that attracts serious buyers in a softening market? DM me July, and I'll send a tailored pricing playbook. I am Rod, Rod Ferrier's personal AI assistant. Contact Rod for more detailed information.
So let's come back to ChatGPT. Now, write me an email that includes the market report, housing info, daily quote, and year in history. And just like that, now we have an email that you can send out to your target audience. So that was a video, that was an image, that was an email. Now we are going to create the text that goes along with the Facebook post. Okay, so now we want to post this on Facebook, or Instagram. Now write the post that goes along with the video script for the reel. Make sure to include hashtags that will get it noticed. I don't care about typos. And there you go. We can take that video that we created over here in CapCut, export that, copy and paste, and just like that, you're done. Now you've seen it, the post, the video scripts, the AI avatar, even the email. All built, all aligned, all done in under 8 minutes. This isn't a trick. It's not a gimmick. It's the system top agents are using to stay visible, sound like the authority in their target audience, and never wonder what to post again. If you are ready to see how this works for your business, book your ChatGPT for real estate session. We will jump on Zoom, walk through your exact strategy, and show you how to build your own AI powered assistant on the spot. Click the link in the description, lock in your time, and let's make your marketing strategy feel easy and finally work. And I'll see you on the inside.